This is the new Perodua Alza GearUp. GearUp is Perodua's official line of authorized accessories which allow you to personalize your vehicle and make it look a little bit different than before, while also adding some unique, convenient features that will make your car easier to live with. Now, this Perodua Alza comes with some GearUp stuff. So in this video, we're going to explore the 2022 Perodua Alza GearUp package in full. My name is AIMAN. ABDULLAH. This is Malaysian Motoring, and hit subscribe before we get into this, shall we? Now, when talking about GearUp accessories, we have to start from the exterior. So this new 2022 Perodua Alza comes with a GearUp front bumper, which also includes LED daytime running lights. You also get a GearUp rear spoiler and GearUp rear bumper to add a little bit more visual aggression to the exterior of the vehicle. Now inside, it actually starts from when you open the doors. This car comes fitted with LED scuff plates to illuminate your entry. It also comes with interior illumination for the footwells, coil mats, and for this particular car, even though it's a full-fledged AV, you also get seat covers, which are of a slightly different design and actually allow for a full seat coverage with polyurethane, which should be a little bit easier to maintain than the semi-leather upholstery that you get as standard in the AV. Now, what's also interesting with this car is you get a luggage tray at the back, and under the bonnet you also get a hood insulator. Now, if you're wondering, the hood insulator allows for better NVH suppression from the engine bay, which means you get less noise coming into the cabin. Now, all of these are naturally cost options, but these options can be bundled into your loan when you purchase the car, provided that you order them when you place your booking, which means the cost of all these options can be broken up into your loan period, however long that is, making it a lot easier for you to live with your new Alza. In any case, that has been a very quick, very brief, very fast walk around of the 2022 Perodua Alza GearUp. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell icon so you're notified every time we make a new upload. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care, stay safe.